branch of the 4-H organization. 4-H has been around since Lincoln's time periods. The 4-H's stand for Head, Hands, Heart, and Health. We do youth development in conjunction with the federal government and the U.S. land-grant universities. So youth development programs, most of our programs are clubs, where we do youth clubs where kids and adults work together to learn about the community and to learn more information in general. We're most well known for our animal programs, like raising sheep and goats, but our programs go far beyond that, into sewing, into science and math education, into robotics, into leadership programs, into nutrition and health as well. We are a special branch that exists only in Santa Barbara County, started by Michael Marzola. Our work is water quality and watershed education within the Latino community. We do this work in a number of different ways. One way is with our watershed education model, where we go to schools and we go to different groups and we teach kids about the watershed through an interactive model where they interact with how the environment works and they discover for themselves issues within the environment and how they might be able to combat them.
So do you know what this is right here?
A play area.
No, this is not a play area. This is a watershed model. Do you know what the watershed?
No.
Watershed is like land that basically drains trash and water to the ocean. This right here, it's oil from the cars, right?
Yeah, I see some more.
And of course you don't throw trash, but a lot of people just throw trash at the beach, right there in the streets. So what happens when it rains? Do you want to make it rain and see what happens?
Yes.
Make it rain, Evan, make it rain.
I mean, so crazy about it. This is like a storm right here. So what's happening to the trash and the oil?
Go to the ocean.
It's going to the ocean, right? So look, what color is the water now?
Black, purple.
It's like purple from those chemicals, right? And the ocean, it's getting polluted, right?
Yes.
And what's gonna happen to the fish and other animals?
They would die.
They'll die or they'll get like disease such as like mercury. What happens if like you're a fisher and that's your job and there's no fish?
You will get fired.
You'll have no job, see?
Yes.
So what are you gonna do next time you see people throwing like their oil there and trash?
Ask them to put them in recycling area.
The first thing you can do to save our environment is to spread out the word. Like go and tell other people.
Our main program right now is we are working with Mexican wrestling themes within the Latino community to make photo novellas and movies containing environmental messages. Basically, we do environmental education, inquiry-based activities with kids within their community and within their environment, like beach cleanups, like learning about the watershed through this, different activities. And then we've helped them figure out what their message is, what environmental message means the most to them. Then we take those environmental messages and we help them put them into a story where they, through the use of Mexican wrestling costumes and through the use of pictures within stories, we are getting the kids to be empowered to tell their own stories and send their own messages out into the world.